Goldman Sachs just published a report saying AI could affect 300 million jobs globally. That sounds terrifying. But here is what almost every headline missed. The same research shows that AI will also create 170 million brand new jobs. That is a net gain of 78 million people working by 2030. So the real question is not whether AI is coming for your job. It is whether your specific job is on the safe list or the risk list. Today we break down the actual data, the 5 careers AI fundamentally cannot replace, and the 5 skills you can develop right now to stay in the safe lane. In the next 5 minutes you will learn 1. The math behind the AI job shift. 2. The 5 categories of careers that AI cannot touch. 3. The 5 skills that make any worker AI-proof. And 4. What to do this year if your job is in the risk zone. Chapter 1. The math most people get wrong. The World Economic Forum's 2025 Future of Jobs report is the most cited source on this. Their number, 92 million jobs displaced by automation between 2023 and 2030. Their other number, 170 million jobs created. That is a net plus of 78 million people working. AI is reshaping work, not deleting it. But the catch is, the new jobs are not in the same place as the displaced jobs. If you are in office and admin work, Goldman Sachs estimates 46% of your tasks can already be automated. That is the highest exposure category. The lowest exposure category is anything involving physical presence, licensed judgment, or genuine human trust. That is where the safe careers live. Chapter 2. The 5 safe career categories. Category 1. Healthcare practitioners. Nurses, doctors, physical therapists, surgeons. Projected to grow 15 to 25% through 2030. AI can help diagnose, but it cannot hold a patient's hand or be legally liable for the call. Category 2. Skilled trades. Electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, welders. AI cannot fix your water heater at 2 a.m. These jobs are physical, location-specific, and protected by licensing. Category 3. Licensed therapists and counselors. Demand is exploding because mental health needs are exploding. AI chatbots can supplement therapy, but states will not license them to handle clinical patients. Category 4. Educators and trainers. Teachers, instructional designers, coaches. Especially anything involving hands-on guidance with kids or life skill transfer. Category 5. Creative directors and high-level legal professionals. Note the level. Junior creative work and junior legal research are getting eaten. But the senior strategist, the licensed attorney, the partner who has the relationships, those roles are safer than ever. There is a 6th category worth naming. AI and cybersecurity engineers. The people who build and protect AI itself are the highest paid winners of this shift. Chapter 3. The 5 skills that make you AI-proof. McKinsey's research breaks it down to 5 skills that AI fundamentally struggles with. 1. Critical thinking under uncertainty. 2. Emotional intelligence and reading human signals. 3. Complex problem solving where the problem is not yet defined. 4. Persuasive communication. 5. Adaptability when the rules of the game change. The interesting thing is that more than 70% of today's people-centric skills are projected to remain essential even in roles that get partly automated. So if you have these skills, you have flexibility to move between roles even when titles disappear. Chapter 4. What to do this year. If you are in office or admin work right now, the data is clear. The risk is real. But the playbook is also clear. Step 1. Audit your week. How much of your job is routine on-screen rules-based work? That is the part that gets automated first. Step 2. Pick one of the 5 safe categories that interest you and learn the entry-level skills in your spare time. Healthcare assistant programs, electrician apprenticeships, AI engineering boot camps, all exist as 6 to 12-month tracks. Step 3. Inside your current job, start being the human in the loop. Be the person who reviews AI outputs, fixes its mistakes, and ships the result. That role exists in every company now, and it is not going away. The honest truth is that AI is going to change every single job by 2030. But it is not going to eliminate work. It is going to elevate the parts of work that only humans can do. This is not career advice. Just one snapshot of the data shaping the next decade. Follow at aiwirehq for more AI breakdowns.